In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove my account icon from Shopify Horizon theme. To do this cleanly and safely, we'll work in the Shopify admin and the theme editor, and I'll show you how to confirm the change on your storefront as you go. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. In the left sidebar, click Online Store to open your theme's dashboard. This is where all theme-level controls live. Quick tip before editing. Duplicate your current theme so you have a backup you can revert to if needed. Next, use the View Your Store link to open your storefront in a new browser tab. Keep this tab open. It's the easiest way to compare the before and after once the icon is hidden. Go back to the Themes page and open the theme editor for your active Horizon theme by selecting Customize, sometimes labeled Edit Theme. This will open a live preview with the Settings panel on the left. Inside the editor, select the Header section. The header is where icons like Account, Cart, and Search are managed. Look for a control such as Manage Visibility or a similar option that lets you choose which icons are displayed in the header. From there, follow the link to Customer Account Settings. It will open in a new tab under your Shopify settings. If you don't plan to use customer accounts, you can disable them here, so the theme can safely hide the account icon across your store. If you do need accounts for your shoppers, that's fine. You can still hide the icon from the header. Customers will continue to access their accounts through checkout emails or links you share elsewhere. Return to the Theme Editor tab, and, within the header settings, switch off the option that displays the customer account icon. In many Horizon setups, this appears as a simple toggle such as Show Customer Accounts or Show Account Icon. As soon as you turn it off, the preview should update, and the person-shaped icon will disappear from the header. When you're happy with the change, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Then go back to your Storefront tab and refresh the page to confirm the icon is gone on both desktop and mobile views. If you don't see the update, double-check that you customize the correct theme and try clearing your browser cache. And that's it. The account icon is removed in the Horizon theme. You can re-enable it anytime by reversing the toggle. And if you duplicated your theme, you've got a safe restore.